In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, and today I would like to show you how you can enable toolbar at the top of your keyboard. All you need to do is go into settings and scroll to tap on the general management. This way you can access Samsung keyboard settings. Now scroll a tiny bit, click on Keyboard Toolbar and enable it thanks to those switches. When they turn blue, go back to your keyboard. You can switch them off the same way. On main and cover screen, the only difference is when you tap on blue switches, you will have to confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!